Okay, now we are going to see one more problem. This is for drawing the ray diagram based on the information. Draw the ray diagram for the given data. For given data, the focal length of a concave mirror is 20 centimeter and object is placed at 50 centimeter. Find the image distance. And draw the ray diagram. Okay, children. See here, the given focal length, that is 20 centimeter, and the object is placed at 50 centimeter. The object is placed at what? 50 centimeter. So we have to find the image distance and as well as we have to draw the ray diagram. Solution: according to sign convention, of concave mirror, the focal length of the mirror is 20 centimeter. So F is equal to minus, sign is very important, 20 centimeter, and object distance, you the given as sign is important, minus 50 centimeter. We have to find image distance. According to the sign conventions, the focal length of that mirror is 20 centimeter. According to the sign convention, it is minus. According to the sign convention, the object distance also minus. We need to find image distance. By using the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we know focal length and 1 by v plus 1 by minus 50. So we need to get minus 20. So if you 1 by v plus into minus 1 by 50. So 1 by minus 20. So if you transfer this term to left hand side, then it become 1 by plus 1 by 50 is equal to 1 by v. Now do the LCM of 20 and 50. So 20 and 50. So we'll get 100. So 2 10s are, 2 5s are. So 5 2s are, 5 1s are. So 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 2 10s are, 2 25s are. Okay, then 5 2s are, 5 5s are. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100. We got the LCM as 100. So the LCM is 100. So we'll get minus 1 into 5 plus 50 into 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 1 by v. Here minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 1 into 2 by 100 is equal to 1 by v. So minus 3 by 100 is equal to 1 by v. So v is equal to 100 minus 100 by 3. So 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. So we'll get image distance is equal to minus 33.3 centimeters. Okay, the image distance is what? Minus 33.3 centimeters. Okay, now we have to draw the ray diagram. ray diagram. Consider a concave mirror. We know focal length and we know the object distance. Focal length is 20 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter and object is placed at 50 centimeter, means up to here it is 40, then the object is placed at somewhere here it is 50 centimeter. So based on this, here the object is behind C. Where we got the object? The object is behind C. Now we are going to draw the ray diagram for this. If the object is behind C, when a ray is parallel to principal axis, it passes through focus like this, and one more ray which is passes through the focus, which gets parallel to principal axis. Here the image is formed between F and C. Between F and C. Which type of image is it? The image is in between F and C. And next one is the image is diminished, real, inverted, real, inverted, and as well as it is diminished image. Okay children, image is in between F and C. The image is real, inverted, and diminished. Okay, now this is as classwork. You note this as a classwork. Now I am going to give a homework based on this. Next one is draw the ray diagram for the given data of focal length. Just I am changing the values for this. Here the focal length is 30 centimeter and the object is at 90 centimeter children. See here, this is the homework problem. Third one is a homework problem. An object is placed at a focal length of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter and the object is at 90 centimeter, that is behind C. So based on the given data only, you are clear that the object is behind C. So for that you need to find image distance and as well as the ray diagram. So based on the given information, you are clear that the focal length is 30. So based on this, radius of curvature is 60. Then the object is behind C. So for that you find the image distance and as well as draw the ray diagram and write the characteristics. Thank you. Have a nice day.